omo afa loss mu na omo afa amani bi mu ade ba akwa omo ho ne say ade ni si ya o se wo yen nokore obi nka nche me say da na me so de si ye no enye nokore o se den akama so ba akọ denial ye be say ye di ehun komo free show no na bi enye nokore na bi na yampa obaka say bi ya eba afa na dwemu want to mean process the pain. How do you process the pain? So here ya die bia ekwan a obefa so a obehihye wadwene ahwe watenka ahihye oniyoe okasa na aboa ama oyaw no esoate mahie obi a we lose baby na ode ne nsa ebobo ode ne tikura bobo dan na ode weti bo dan a weti ni ba ya we ya nso a ebere akoda se wade de opa bia ye no ebare de waka na mo ni bedua no so de opa no no ba ye if is what the abobo dan mu it is a way of processing your pain. Denial I won't process it afedi wade mewu and the message me ko ekwa yi bisa na obi afimu na obi fimu ya na ye ya wani na ne sia wasio ye nya no ntom na ni ba na o siefu no se obi yanko echi ba cho huritum afedi wani pa na ekwa echi eniama yade na so se ye hunu sare ye besi asoso ye ho na ya hye atenka na ya dwene afa ebeboa ye pa akosia anopai me mawache
mejuso papa
na akosia te sai
nyame adom
akosia da kromehia obi ana asembi ato no
okay
ana ose menka nche ne se ye nokore le yingrafo ka no
en onyini se ye nokore
David onyini
we do mama kai 2024 na
okay
ye kan say NPP elusu NPP supporter biti ye nchen ho o say o ye sure so wada onyanyane oti area ho and o so wada onyanyane na so electoral commissioner announce o mami je mensa announce say NDC na wene nti MPP fo elusu o say da bi nye nokre na ye ni gina ho di nkomo no wada wana nyine ho da o say ye duro ne say o party ni so obi anim so MPP ni we area
o che say
obi anim so MPP ni we area ho pa o ginam eti hye ne so kwaku mo party na lusu o so wana ka kire onim so electoral commission announce so nye nokre me mada me ne mu gina ha na mada da na meso MPP ntimi lusu da na so da bi MPP lusu omo lusu ma gap no kure mu wa pa wow da bi wada onyane na onye different results oh yes it never deny akese no he can't believe say MPP lusu o tia say no man itimu da
man timu da
elections na ye kono one obese sure by sure
o make room in a small
no o make room ne de say MPP and e we
because o na pese gina no
o make room bia
enkrofo a wo mu ni any space for potential negativity in life will always be shocked
papa mpacho de be repeat hono na statement na de repeat me can chi
obia anyone who has no space
obia on ma kwan
for any negative situation
say bi boni bi betimi esi e wa brabo no
always remain shocked
da bia ade ne be boni pusa
that's it enti as I say wonya space wona mo wiase a nya space in your mind say bribiera
e betimi esi
me share so for bi
okay
I say so yes for me say I say Bible can say all things are possible.
Hey, I never thought it that way. With God, all things are possible.
Okay, someone, and I may say, I say, yeah. How do you understand it?
I say, with God, all things are possible.
I say, good.
Listen, I mean, hey,
I say, all things are possible. And let's say, nima
papa nkwa
bɔne a w'ani nna so nyinaa
ebetumi esi.
ebetumi esi. All things are possible.
And even with God. Because Papa, even with God.
Yes.
Because then Joseph was in prison and God was with him. Nessa, what can who be? Nessa, what can who? What can when I'm at the quarter?
Who shall me Daniel Ekoto Jatamum? Ane, I now have an do answer.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Almost say, or him, are you cry? Me the cast of Mukas and Yamaka say, hey, that is so my son of Mukoshe. A gentleman's and Wopio.
And you go some myself bad.
Yeah.
And Crophobi.
Okay.
Yeah, now, one more making room say situations can change your life. And Nema, any bit to me, I done it. And the Debiano, prepare your mind. Say, in the worst case scenario, what will I do? Sancrophone. I go say, I wish I be a then I didn't know how much.
Papa, me jidi say a entity you.
Okay.
Say, baby, environment near woo, and especially, I come from Christian home, no.
Right.
Faith.
Yeah, can't get
faith.
Jidie,
Jidie, and you know, bonnet. Jidie.
Okay.
Enti yede atete will say walk by faith and not by sight.
Okay.
Enti yahuni say faith is denial of
you
reality.
Deny reality. Okay.
Yede atete say faith is because ukoye eye na che say woni jidie. Ukodwini say there is a possibility of evil. There is a possibility of a negative outcome. Na che say woni jidie.
Woni jidie.
Eti jidie ni say we are optimistic. All the time, you are expecting something good to happen. Even when Bibi bad crazy, I refuse to be sick.
I refuse.
And so
I'm not poor. I have money.
I refuse. I'm not poor. I have money in my account.
Also, account no.
Eti Baba, that should be betray faith, because you say faith and they say be a denying reality. Faith in this, I won't say be boni bintimento. Faith in this, say, and all corno, Yamedo Bako the Waba, nothing bad will happen. And I say be boni bimpoko see if there is any negative effect here. And then Yamea, and your bon some day, and to go straight, shall see and find it out. One nam hono, or crano bechemuno, a biana, Oma, bloodline, and a family bloodline. We always make excuse, you were GDA, or GDA, be boni bintimento. Who were GDA dia, there is no way, say, as I will be a more demon.
As you say,
Tim said, Bibi Bonnie be crabba. We don't even go further to ask the Lord, so what are you using this to teach me? The moment we go into warfare mode. I root out. I break.
I cancel.
Who be break you another
Because and this is where the wisdom is. Faith is not avoiding realities. Faith is walking through realities with confidence in God.
Faith in it, and I said, Gideon say, "Wouldn't dear Essino, but wouldn't mu or bro would Gideon when Yamimu."
Akosia, emeritus number 2.
Emeritus, the same free.
And I say, I do emeritus. Akosia. So faith is not denial of realities. It is walking through realities with confidence in God.
Enti Gideon chrese ni esi no won kase ni ho. Na mom ni esi no won na mu wo bra wo gidie wo nyame ne mu.
Exactly.
Eni papa asafo no mo ye the service to us. Papa, you are doing us the
our teachings and sometimes say obi pray ade na ofi as say osuro che bebrea.
Yeah.
Na me hunu the impact of it. Say na ben na one time be frame me. Or say, hey, osun dai no, na ne mame samai, ojana so, mame so wu. And all kind of, I just had an intuition in my spirit. Sister, ohian chere. Enti, or person me bomb pie man, my mom pie man. And I say, cool down.
Brafom.
Okay, I say, relax, take a deep breath. Okay, let me ask me church. Do you know yourself?
Unim ho.
Do you know what is in you?
Unim de wo.
Do you know what you can do?
Unim de obetimi ayi.
Or relax ba. And if it means why is stable no? Na mo pay ti o man. And no friend me back. Ma go through Mrs. Zidi BBI fine pa. I say because what happens is that because you are a lot of the time when you teach your members to avoid realities, they are what you say. They are avoiding life's struggles and challenges. Now, every beer will be avoiding life struggles and challenges. No, the spiritual muscles will not be built.
Nessa papa de opachen say SSA for no. Mutimi catcher SOMPA wo kono obi betimi atown. Sa.
You bet me as a catcher.
Esa mo catcher.
Promotion na wanya no.
You bet me abase nya mfa or time. Anase bia promotion kwe bia wunya.
O call interview. Okay. Eware anya wa do nya. Wanya so a de nyame ase. Realities. Yes. Wanya de nyame ase.
But the moment amenya no. There be
obi ma me bompai man. Papa. We dey visa no na dey. Me say o kasa gu so a. And I'm saying, I'm very cool. Oh, the choir, yeah, the man, so no, fine. Okay,
yeah, the man and I bounce on.
Yeah, man, about I heard more. I'm saying, hey, because I apply. But yeah, I'll say, oh, but I'm saying, we will apply again. Any apply second, any bounce on. Yes, I bounce on. I say, check. And I'm saying, yeah, apply you. And no apply and then
near the man.
And when who said
life no
the motions of life.
Papa ni na me kan say mo ko mama ya hu ni say gidie ni se de me pa bi ese minya. Gidie ni se ni kwan se bibi boni bi to me. Gidie ni se ni kwan se obi disappoint me. Gidie ni se baby sorry tia ma break and loose, root out, plant, scatter by fire. Oh, pay.
Jeremiah.
Oh, but will pay.
Any bottle. Pay. Machine guns, you know.
But auntie Papa, who my young say you be an empire?
Levy. I could say that's not it. And ya dear Biara and the empire. A dear be wha a entiasia. A dear be wha a yansa. A dear be wha a young. A dear be wha a acceptance. Paul say,
Metinia may be a tomb.
I say, I saw me a tone of flesh. Sorry, a tone in my flesh. Na me konya me anim empremian sa.
So when you free ho.
When you add an me. Take it off.
What's me?
I said no. My
madam no abuswama. What do ne buswama me say me turn on turn me on.
My grace is sufficient for you and my strength is made perfect in your weakness. Oh, madam does mo. Na ma ho de eda ne ho adi e wo mere we mu. Eti me come lecture be on that Paul because GT oh baby.
Yeah.
And I make come about trauma. Say how you can meaningfully live with trauma. So sometimes trauma no we go through the training you cry and just send in every.
Yeah.
Exactly. But how do you live with it? Na make trauma. And the Paul lived with trauma.
Yeah, we live with it.
He lived meaningfully. To be why because you are not no. When you did be anything can happen. Life flows in an angelic mode. And so Bray say in so Antoine for Ghana. It's I'm baby and I'm open. I know a can say a car. I know Yarwebi. Just say so many things happen in life.
Niema betimi esi.
So many things. Niema wenina.
Eti be puno.
Allow things.
Make you room.
Makwai. Na niema to me esi. Ushi obiya. Hey, maybe my worry dear. Kwajo dear. Share. Kwajo to me nyamida. Wanna catch it all. Wanna catch it all. Anything can happen in life.
Kwa jiri betimi asesa.
Share. Eyasi.
Kwa jiri betimi asesa.
Oh, make catch you say. Bribia betumi esi. Enti wonam ho a sesi wadwene say. They are all new humble da pe.
Eye Nyankopon.
He's the only faithful friend.
Enti apart from Nyame no nipa die. Se wo ye nipa ne die. Bribia betimi esi.
So Nyame kana koma. Na wa mpira wa koma. Na wa you are ma. Nipa no wa ya de pa. Say onyame kana koma
wanya obone
wampira wo
wono watena ne se nyame ye nadom
wa na dom nipa no chese onyame adom na koso ya se na ana wo rafi job yire ebi akwayi ehum no to ya o se ebi duminyame na
imagine
yes
duminyame
kas God and I
eti papa de wo kan kire ye ni se yemfa nhye yetim se abrabo ne bibia betimi asi.
That's right.
Enti yem prepare
for it.
Yem moaboa ye ho.
Sie wadwene.
Wo de adwene papa fa gidie nante nanso. Se niema nko de wo si panwa.
Exactly.
Se nyame ho adom ko abefa so handle no.
Because I can say the virgin's mentality no. The virgin's mentality is a mindset. It has no room for any inconveniences.
Adwene bi e wo timu a wo ma ho kwan se kesa wo de e ma wo timu da se obi
sane se
ebetimi aye bone mpo
enti akoso enti woti wa wo ye adwuma yi ma ndo so na so asem to na ebi e woku na tu kwan na bi oni ho a oba de nyame ti ase no aka se wo ma bone bi antome da
o ma ntome nso da
ensi da for no twam enya da be wanna see me aba. Eti kan hunu say the only faithful friend in life
is God. Nyame nko a. Bibia betimi adi
no.
Bibia sheki.
Wo bia wani na say obedada wo ebe betray. Obi a wani na say obeya asemi aka asemi say ebeye. Because human beings are very interesting.
Hey, Papa.
When they go through challenges, they don't care who they betray.
Yeah, it's true, Papa.
They don't care.
As a nipa ye say be a how to no and now bring advantage. Me fan say bibia ba na be man advantage bia. On fa ho so long as
that's right.
E benefit bi be
that's right.
Extent a obe go.
That's right.
So obenya sadie no.
That's right.
And no me sister bi wo UK or friend me no osu na me busan sa ade no say call ye no one organization no more branches no move no kwa another be ye ni leader
right
eti girl on ni free no ni free all right o mo bomb pie and ye move on the bar that branch unto so then we have and was on no afa damfo eti nkomo to no kwa baby na ote and they wanted us to leave no person come to the same place
right
but I was in the place of prayer bibi catch and say no my own pen dan so pe wodan. So she decided not to. Also, my excuse, beauty a pewdy and I'm in Pemidi. But in the workplace, you know, or more a juma boom. Papa was one nimbe be free. This girl has developed jealousy and envy. Say what penny position as auntie.
I
we call quatra or more operations manager. So Sanipa we man ideas. Me na man identity niema otimi ye nyina me na me man ideas eti no omo wo meeting ase so one lady ne sending a message do this and she was wondering why must I do this and we inquire from he say na makoye meeting na mo se obi anka bibia o say na ope evidence oh yeah na nko de kwache say man kan kire mo say me na me man ye every idea she has been implementing we say we make her say onye presentation why presentation. And not know if it wasn't the Holy Spirit that was in her. Catch and say, no, don't do this.
Don't do this.
Now, oh, yeah. Oh, Papa, obi a waba. Wana na be fa damfo. Wana na esre. Omu didi bom. Omu sa wo prayer room kura. Our office ho. So your afternoon time, no, they go there and pray.
Judas.
All of a sudden, Papa.
Judas.
Any bre. Be eba shege ni mu envy. Enti how can this girl do this? And Papa dia wo kana mama who say human beings. Any pa ye nam hoyi. Agine bebre ba yetim na ni bia nipa no obefa.
That's right.
Go betimi afa agine che say a lot of thoughts eba enye obi an netimi filter through. This one is good. The be nipa we dey mama mani brain. Some ebi mu ntimi deal with their personal emotional.
That's right.
You know, eti eba na okay go we say nani brew. Position when Kenya ya na fe wa chance na o keka ho asem ti papa say ye mie ye ni papa da ko be kire human being dey
obi be sam you as it define human being
papa mpacho da ko be wo
as it be me say created as it created
in the image of God
as image by
Papa Mpacho.
I say God be.
SOMPA Rhapsody that could be because ya tell mo say ya was spirit, soul and body.
Okay, me
It is say mo be kyerɛ ye spirit
no I why.
soul no
So no so why body no so
na
why.
body no so ye why.
Me and son how do they work?
Na mo say nipa na me share nipa miensa. Spirit, soul and body. Papa ebetimi abasa.
Why now what dealing with?
Ebetimi abasa.
Are you dealing with the body?
Ebetimi abasa the spirit na bodam. Na me kura minim. Ebetimi abasa the soul no yare. Na me kura minim. But me hu nipa na appearance a.
O say be here come.
Me be here come o ye but be na adwene ne yo.
Adwene here and kwaye.
Human being.
Hey. Look at that.
Yeah.
Say,
and she was crying. Say, how can this girl betray me like this? She's surprised.
Yes.
Because she never thought to say somebody I wanted to say boom.
That's the human that's the human condition. That enkrofo atwa ye ho hia. Any enioma ye fam. Now don't forget one of the statements I make here. Me say there are 3 things in this world that I say be atiase. Number 1 is say we nipa or limitation.
Nipa bia wo mreye.
Number 2 ni say won atwa ho hia no. Ye obi ya na pe we.
Omo mo twa ho nye obi ya na pe we.
Because omo so mo ye nipa sa.
Omo so ye nipa sa nti omo so wo mreye. Omo mreye no betimi abewo wani.
Number 3 is say you are living in a fallen universe. And it's animal me insane.
What you see?
So far, me fa bon sambe mu.
They been find my cry.
Me mo, and your man,
be friend of the other guy. I don't make a bon sakra.